Every building holds intelligence within its walls, waiting to connect. Wherever people come together to work, heal, learn or build, buildings can do more. The systems running your facilities already hold the answers. They just need a way to share them. Sensors, connected systems, intelligence built in. Apptimus connects your existing systems and adds a growing library of built-in services. One layer for your people, one dashboard for your facilities team, all of it AI ready. In factories, tighter precision. In workplaces, spaces that respond. In data centers, always-on reliability. In hospitals, better patient flow. In education, campuses that adapt. When business moves at the speed of light, your buildings keep pace. Always ready, always on. For everyone who keeps buildings running, and everyone who works inside them. Clarity, control, confidence, complete intelligence. One platform connecting every space, every system, every person who walks through your doors. Bring your facilities on track. We are Bluecoin.